Hey y'all, what is up? How you doing? What you doing? If you don't know by now, my name is Ellenmarie and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Well, today's video I'm super excited because I will be trying out a brand new product. Usually when I say a brand new product is new to me. What is today? The 18th. It came out on Valentine's Day, the 14th. So I'm really excited. I got a little exclusive for y'all. In one of my older videos, I mentioned that I did become an ambassador for the curly hair or natural hair Ecoslay brand. I am an ambassador now. As an ambassador, I get the privilege and honor of getting like goodies from them, some products, and trying them out for you guys and letting you guys know how it works on my hair. And I also get to give you guys a discount code that y'all can use to purchase if you would like to purchase anything that I use from them, and I will put that down below and I'll put it on screen. Super excited. I do want to mention that if you do use my code, then I do get a percentage of it, but it is no extra cost to you. So I'm super excited. But today, let's go ahead and get in the video. I'm going to be reviewing the lemon buttercream styling cream from Ecoslay. I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited about this. So from what I have gathered is that this is a styling cream, and it's a mixture of their rice pudding and their orange marmalade, which is a curl definer or like a curl gel. It says that this helps you achieve moisturized and defined results with this multi-purpose styling cream. With lemon and vanilla essential oils, this delicately scented lightweight cream is ideal for those who want softer curls or twists, braids, bantu knots, and other protective styles with the perfect combination of hold, volume, and moisture. Y'all know I'm always looking for moisture, so I'm really excited. Some of the ingredients, first ingredient is water, which is good. It says marshmallow root, flaxseed, slippery elm extract, peppermint oil, melissa leaf extract. Why Melissa got her own? Okay. Yucca leaf extract, lemon peel oil, vanilla fruit oil. So I'm really excited. This is a 16 ounce. Now it did come in like the container I have for like their little tub container. I have one right here. This one has their jello shot, which is like my favorite in it. But I don't have the container. I left it at home, so yeah. So my hair is already freshly washed, deep condition all that good stuff or whatever. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's on the drier side. The deep conditioner that I used prior to this wasn't all that. It was okay. It wasn't all that. So my hair is like on the drier side, but hopefully this buttercream will do well. So it is a lemon buttercream. Let's see. It smells like lemon frosting or icing or something. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. I was not expecting it to come out like that. I was not. Now this is what it looks like. You can see it sliding a little bit. This is, let's see. Oh, okay. This is more lightweight than I thought. Kind of chunky. Once you mix it up, it's not chunky anymore, but it's kind of chunky. Maybe I did have this in the fridge, so I might have had it too close to the freezer. Oh, okay. This, yeah, it says lightweight on the packaging. Is very lightweight. It's very milky. Not very creamy, but milky. This smells really good. It smells like something you eat, but don't eat it. Ooh, that one ain't really good. And since my hair was dry, I can definitely feel a difference. I'm so glad I used this because my hair was feeling terrible. I'm sorry. It was feeling dry. I'm sorry, y'all. It was feeling dry, but Ecoslay can get me right. Oh my God. That feels really good. And it soaked into my hair pretty nicely. And it's real creamy. I can feel like the oils on my hand. It's very creamy. And it's not thick like I thought it was gonna be. Since it said buttercream, I was thinking thick, but it wasn't that thick. So I'm just gonna apply it to all my hair and I'm gonna come back. No, I wanted to state that I wanted to do a twist out, but now looking at it, it's very lightweight. So I don't know if I should do a twist out. I don't know. I'm very bamboozled. I'm not bamboozled, but like it's thinner than I was not hoping for, thinner than I thought, because I wanted to do a twist out. With twist outs, I usually just try to use like a cream and a gel or just a cream. And since this was a cream, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a twist out. It's very lightweight, so I don't know what I'm I'm gonna do. After I apply this, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna come back. So I've applied everything to my hair, or not everything, the lemon buttercream, and y'all, I really like the smell. It's still lingering. Oh, it smells really, really good. I really like the smell. Like, this smell was like probably my favorite thing right now. It's super lightweight, which I really, really like, but I don't know if I should use it by itself. I really wanted to do a twist out because I haven't did one in a long time, but I wanted to give me like good hold, and I'm kind of scared. Do y'all think I should do? I wish it was on live so y'all could really like tell me if I should do that or not. Let's try to do one in the back and see what it looks like. Let me add a little bit more, just a little bit. Like that much. And I'm just add that on this section. And I'm gonna detangle. My hair is a little tangled up. Let's see. Okay, that looked good, to be honest. Why did I do that? Because I know it looked good. Okay, so I think I should see if it mixes well with the orange marmalade, because I haven't used the orange marmalade before, or the jello shot, whichever one. I haven't used that one before, so we're gonna see. So it didn't mix well with jello shot, so we're gonna cancel jello shot out. It worked okay with this. I don't know. I don't know. I want to see first. I want to try it on one and then see. Okay, so I have the buttercream already on there, and I have orange marmalade. I've never used orange marm, so we're gonna have to see. This is what it looks like. Orange marm is very, yeah, everywhere. It feels good. And I don't feel it balling up in my hands. It feels really good. So I think I'm gonna use orange marm with everything. Yeah, this feels really good. This feels really good. So I think I'm gonna use it with orange marm just because it feels good and I want to get a good hold. Yeah, okay, I'm just making sure I don't see any flakes or anything. Okay, I feel like this is gonna take longer to dry now that I added the orange marm, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and twist everything and I'll be back. So I am done applying the buttercream and the orange marmalade. I noticed that I feel like, and I pray to God, please, please, please. I noticed that the orange marmalade kind of wasn't mixing as well as I thought it was in the back, in the front and stuff. So on like this section, I just put the buttercream just to see. When I rubbed together, it mixed well, so I don't know. I'm gonna pin this up because it's my little part. But yeah, I'm done with my hair, so now it is just the drawing time. I am going to go around and trim some of my ends because I haven't done a twist out in a while, and I can tell because my ends shouldn't look like that. So far, I like it. I noticed that if you don't apply a lot of water, it gets more creamier, if that makes sense. Like, it feels like it gets thicker. I don't know, but this smells really, really good. I really wish this would pair well with Jello shot, but I'm not gonna try because I don't have time for flaking. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna let my hair dry. It is Saturday night. It is currently 8:16. I want to take it out tomorrow, ideally. I didn't apply a lot of water and I didn't apply a lot of product, so maybe it'll be dry, but I most likely will just take it out on Tuesday, either tomorrow or Tuesday, don't know yet. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna come back when my hair is fully dry so we can take it down, or either once it's already dry. Yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm back and my hair is done. I took it out. Now I will say, y'all know I'm not a twist out girl anymore. I used to be a twist out girl. I used to knock them out the park, knock them out the frame, but I'm not really used to twist out, so I'm getting adjusted to this because I can't stretch it like I would stretch my washing ups and stuff, but it's still cute. Now my hair feels really, really soft. It feels really soft. Okay, I think next time I won't add the orange marmalade. I'll just try it out together because that is more of like a gel. Like, he gave me a cast. I could feel it on this section that doesn't have a didn't have the orange marmalade. It is soft, is I don't know what, and the other sides are soft too, but you could tell there's more of a cast with the orange marmalade added to it. I am experiencing some residue that like falls on me, but it's not in my hair, which I'm grateful for. I don't care if it's flaking on my clothes, but I care if it's flaking in my hair. But yeah, my hair feels really good, and some of the pieces are stretched more than others because I was on the phone while I was stretching my hair, so I won't pay attention like that. But my hair looks really good. Now I'm gonna try to turn around so y'all can see. Okay. Yeah, y'all, I want to give my final thoughts on the product. I'm trying to fix my hair because I want it to look big. So the lemon buttercream, first thing about it is the smell. I love the smell. I'm not really, I like sweets, but I don't really like cake like that, so I'm surprised that I like the smell, but I do like the smell. Y'all can't even see it. This is really good. It's very lightweight. I would try to use this more as a leave-in conditioner. I feel like it has more of a leave-in conditioner consistency, but then when you like put it in your hair, if you put it on your hair dry, I think I like my damp results more than I like my wet results, or my wet when I was putting it on wet. I think I liked it more when my hair was damp and not wet. So I think I'm gonna try it with that, and I think I'm gonna just try it by itself next time, or either I'm going to pair it with a gel to do like a wash and go combo. I'm really excited for that because this is bomb. It's super moisturizing. My hair is so soft. So really love that. And I like that I get a lot of it, 16 ounces. On their website it does retail for $24, but if you paid attention in the first half of the video, I do have a discount code, and it'll be in the description box down below, so y'all can use it and get you some money off of your purchase. My code will be on the screen as well. But yeah, y'all, I really like my results. I do also want to share that when I got this, it came with a little goodie, a little treat, and it came with a beanie. And it says lemon buttercream, and on the inside it is satin on the inside, so that's really cute. I'm gonna try to put it on. Okay, if I could put it on right, then it'd be like really cute. Oh, I could wear it like this. Now I gotta figure out how to style it, but it's super cute. And y'all know I'm not really into pink, but this is super cute. Okay, and I love that it's satin lined. Okay, my hair not messed up. See, this is why I satin lined, because your hair don't get messed up. But yeah, y'all, I'm not really a twist out girl, but I really like my results. If y'all enjoyed my video, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. If you're going to try this product out, come back to the comment section and let me know how it works for you when you get it and all that jazz. And remember, I do have a coupon code if you guys want to use it to get some money off of your purchase. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.